Hello, how to solve for s in this equation 2x squared plus 10x minus 25 is equal to 0 using the method of completing the square. So we want to solve this problem step by step. Solution. We have the given equation 2x squared plus 10x minus 25 is equal to 0. Then here, the coefficient of x squared here is 2. The coefficient of x is 10. And then the constant that we have here is 25. Now, this can be written as 2x squared plus 10x minus is equal to 25. Now, let's divide the whole of this equation by 2. Then we have this divided by 2 and this divided by 2. This divided by 2. These two cancel these two. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. This is x squared plus 5x is equal to 25 over 2. Now here we have the coefficient of x squared now, which is 1. The coefficient of s is this 5 and the constant is 25 over 2. Now let's consider the first step. Step 1. Now let us take the square of half of the coefficient of s now. The coefficient of s is 5. The half is 5 multiplied by 1 over 2. This is equal to 5 over 2. Now the square now is 5 over 2 square. And this is equal to 5 square over 2 square. This is equal to 25 over 4. Now let us consider the second step. Step 2. Let us add it to both sides of the equation. That is, we have x squared plus 5x. If you add this, we have plus 25 over 4 is equal to, we have 25 over 2 plus 25 over 4. Now this is x squared plus 5x plus 25 over 4 is equal to, the LCM here is 4. Then 2 in 4, 2 times 25, that is 50, plus 4 in 4, 1 times 25, that is 25. X squared plus 5s plus 25 over 4 is equal to 50 plus 25, that is 75 over 4. Then step 3. The whole of this is the same thing as s. The sign here is positive, plus 5 over 2 all square is equal to 75 over 4. If you expand this, you are going to get the whole of this. Then let us square both sides of this equation. Let's call this step 4. Let us take the square root of this. Let us take the square root of both sides of this equation. Let's call this step 4. We have square root of s plus 5 over 2 square is equal to plus or minus square root of 75 over 4. This cancel this. S plus 5 over 2 is equal to plus or minus, this can be written as square root of 75 over square root of 4. And this is the same thing as S plus 5 over 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 75 can be written as square root of 25 multiplied by 3 over square root of 4. Then this is S plus 5 over 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 25 multiplied by 3. This is 5 square root of 3 over square root of 4 is 2. Then, therefore, S is equal to, if you take this to this side, it becomes minus 5 over 2 plus or minus 5 root 3 over 2. Then S is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 5 root 3 over 2, which can also be written as S is equal to minus 5 plus 5 root 3 over 2, or S is equal to minus 5 minus 5 root 3 over 2. These are the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.